At IKO, we never stop working to elevate your business, starting with product innovation. Our laminate shingles are designed to IKO's True Square advantage, helping you cut waste, install approximately 10% faster, and potentially save your business over $25,000 this year. Not convinced? Hold on to your calculators. We're about to journey through IKOnomics 101.
First, let's talk hard costs. When you buy 3 bundles, you expect them to cover 100 square feet of roof. That's the number you build your quote around. However, it's not always accurate. Some manufacturers work in averages. In fact, 3 of their bundles may only cover about 98.4 square feet, which means each bundle may be missing a shingle or 2. So, you may end up buying more bundles than you need for the job, which can be a waste of time and money. That is unless you buy IKO's Dynasty, Nordic, or Cambridge shingles. We manufacture our laminate shingles in a special advantage size that allows us to put exactly 20 shingles in every bundle for an absolute 100 square feet. You can rely on these bundles for full coverage every time to help you estimate accurately. The larger size of our advantage shingles have other benefits too, starting with a larger exposure of 5 7/8 of an inch or 149 millimeters. Compared to the traditional industry standard, our Dynasty, Nordic, and Cambridge shingles give the installer an additional 1/4 inch of coverage on every course they install.
The advantage size is also typically longer than the competition, so depending on the size of the roof, fewer shingles per course may be needed.
That means you're hauling fewer bundles to the roof while laying and nailing fewer shingles. Those few minutes saved can add up to a lot over the course of a season. On average, you can expect a 10% faster installation time with advantage shingles.
On a typical 25 square roof, if you install IKO's advantage-sized laminate shingles instead of a comparable shingle from our competitor, you'll purchase 2 fewer bundles on average. That's 40 fewer shingles, not to mention the savings on nails and your valuable time spent roofing.
What about roofing projects on multi-family dwellings? The bigger the roofing surface, the more time and money you'll save.
For instance, on a multi-family project of 2,000 squares, you can save up to 160 shingle bundles, or 2,000 shingles, plus the savings of extra nails and labor. That's a considerable amount of materials, time, and labor saved. Across a roofing season, that's big for the bottom line. Even if your business focuses on single rooftop jobs for homeowners, you'll save a tremendous amount of time and money in a single year of installing our advantage-sized shingles. We hope this video has been helpful to you. If you're looking to learn more from the experts at IKO, please subscribe to our channel for more great content.